So in this problem, we're given that in year 2009, the property tax on each home in town X was P% of the assessed value, where P is some fixed percentage. And we're told that for a house that had an assessed value of $125,000, the tax was $2,500. So that's the tax. And in quantity A, we're given that we're asked the property tax in 2009 on a home that has an assessed value of $160,000. So there are two ways we can do this problem. The first one, which is a little bit longer, is that to find what the value of P is, meaning what is the property tax as a percentage. And that would be 2,500 over 125,000 times 100. And we can simplify this, knock out these two zeros. 1 0 here, 125 goes into 250 twice. So the property tax is 2%. And then we can take this figure, P, of 2% and find 2% of 160,000, which is 2 over 100 times 160,000. And we can reduce this, knock out the two zeros. Then 16 times 2 is 32, and then two zeros. So the quantity A, which is the tax on the home that's assessed for 160,000 value, is 3,200. And quantity B in this problem is given to us as 3,000. So clearly quantity A is bigger, and the answer is A. The other way to do is to just set up a proportion, which is really equivalent to this percentage. And the way that would work is we would say the tax on a home of 125,000 is 2,500. So we set up it as a proportion. So what would be the tax? And let me call that T on a home that's 160,000. So to find T, I multiply both sides by 160,000. And that's my tax. And all I have to do is to reduce this, knock out these three zeros. 25 goes into 125 5 times, and this is 100. And then 5 goes into 120 times. Again, 160 times 20 would be 3,200. And again, we get the same answer, which is A.